February 6th, 2024. This is an update on the well water ground situation, the mini borehole, and how much water I've been able to get out. Not only is it working, and sometimes it's clearer than others, but we could stage down a filter on this, and that's basically 100 liters of water from the ground. And depends on who you ask, but like, would you rather use water from the government clouds, natural clouds, gray water, rainwater, don't use ocean water, but you have a choice when you're living off grid. And I'll show you, see how it's all full? Everything's full. So like that's 100 liters right there, or 16 times 6 plus the random bits and bobs I have. But obviously it's not raining right now. And I'm near a river, but I'm not, like, I don't have a river running through my property. Those of you who are paying attention would know that in my video series about living off grid, I said many times and very clearly that if you have a choice when you're shopping for real estate, then you should probably get something that's off grid. But that's my current mini well setup. As you can see, that's also full. 2 jugs there for when I feel like pumping a little bit more. But as you can see, it's just a mini well. It's nothing fantastic. It works. It's pulled out 100 liters, and I still have water coming down here in overflow when it rains, and my gray water. And also I have 1,000 liters of rainwater there. Before I dug the mini well, everything that you see here is just gray water, and like literally, I mean, all kinds of water. We got water for sale here. We got gray water. We got brown water. We got clear water. We got algae water. Yeah, so this is just gray water, which now, if you were to take this is like 1,000 liters of gray water, by the way. If you were to compare gray water to the brown water that I pulled out of the ground well, like mini groundwater or mini well water, I think personally I would rather have the groundwater because it's been filtered by the soil and some of these rocks. And of course, my mini well, as you know, has a filtration setup in it. I wasn't filtering it to try to get it to be perfectly clean water. I was getting it to be water that I could use on our plants. That was the point. But it is possible, if you were to filter it down through a staged filter with cotton and carbon at the bottom, or charcoal, that you could filter this and then maybe boil it, get it into a drinkable state if one was so inclined. The better bet would be to distill it and then drink it, and then you'd have the residue or the parts per million of total dissolved solids, whatever they are, would be at the bottom of your distiller. But just wanted to give you guys an update.